I made a field with Field Guide DIY, and I thought it might be helpful for you to see the cleaning and maintenance descaling process of the Navien tankless water heater. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Let's dive in. You want to kill the power to the unit. In this case, this is gas. We'll turn the valve that way so it crosses the line. We're going to remove our access panel on both sides, exposing our valves down below. Next, you want to turn off the power. Then you want to remove the 2 Phillips head screws at the bottom. Two screws at the top as well. Lift off the cover, put that to the side. And I'm going to kill the power to the rocker as well. And I'm also going to unplug the power line. Now the kit comes with everything you see here. It comes with the water lines, the pump, the cleaning solution, descaler. There's a grate in the bottom of the bucket. Simple instructions, as well as your service date information. A tip I picked up is to clean out this deposit screen or dirt filter. Unscrew this and it slides straight out. Do not get it wet. Just clean out the dirt and deposit from the inside of your filter. There's just a leaf in there. Otherwise, it looks really clean. I put it right back. We're going to close our cold water supply line. And we're going to close that off. Now we're going to remove the service caps. We are outside, so not a big issue. Another tip I picked up is to clean this filter out. So we're going to pull this out and drop this down. There should be an O-ring and some dirt in there. Clean that out. There's a lot of dirt in there. Let's clean that out. Now, having cleaned that out sufficiently, we just return that, pop that back into place, and return that pin. And that's good. In addition to the tankless water heater descaler, you can also use descaling powder, or you can use vinegar. We're going to put 1 gallon of water in a 5-gallon bucket and add our descaling solution. Add our descaling solution into the water. We're going to connect one end of the cold water line to the bottom of the pump that's included in this kit. We're going to connect the other end to the nozzle where we remove the service cap on the cold water side. These hoses were included in the kit. And for the red hose, we're going to hook that onto the hot side service nozzle that we remove the service cap from. And put the other end of the hose in the bucket. Next, we would open both hot and cold isolation valves. I'm also going to open this and remove this filter. May need a pair of channel locks. I think I do. Oh man. Now we're going to put in our submersible sump pump into that water, and we're going to plug it in. And now we're circulating throughout the system. We're drawing in from the bucket and out to the bucket. And that water is getting cloudy real quick. We're going to let this run for 45 minutes. Look at how brown that water's getting. Now, we're going to unplug that. We're going to disconnect the blue line. Oh boy, you didn't do your... Then we're going to return the service cap. Make sure it's not cross-threaded, but on there good. Then we're gonna remove the sump pump from the bucket and we're gonna dispose of the solution. Flush the tankless water heater for 5 minutes or until clear water flow by opening the main water valve supply line and opening the cold isolation valve and allowing the water to exit through the hot service valve to drain into a bucket. If you're using a bucket, empty periodically. Remove this. And clean this filter. That doesn't look bad. There's some sediment in there. We're gonna return that. Now we're gonna take off the hot water line and put on the hot water service cap as we wrap up the project. Now this system did not have the service cutoffs that you look for in other directions. Now we're ready to open the cold and the hot. Open the hot, and we're gonna open the cold. We're gonna plug in our power, and we're gonna put our covers back on and open up the gas line. Now we're gonna turn that on, and we're gonna open the gas. Return the cover, and we're gonna go inside and turn it on. Like I said, this kit makes things a lot easier. Put the sump pump and our hoses back in the bucket. Of course, before next time, we're gonna have to get some more descaler solution, but we tested it and it's working great. For more home improvement videos like this one, click the image on your screen now. Thanks for watching.